Hello, I wanted to talk to you about a really cool tool called Screencastify. It works really well, and the beauty of it is that you don't need a Mac. It's an online-based tool. So all you need is to make sure you're using Chrome as your browser, and it's basically an extension for Chrome. So if you go to screencastify.com, and then you can add it. I've already installed it, so I can't install it again, but you just click there, install it. You give it all the permissions to share your screen and your microphone and your camera. And then there's lots of options. Basically, after that, you'll have a little arrow here like this, and you just press on it. You can do what I'm doing now, which is to have your screen shared plus your face, which is really handy. Or you can have just the screen, or you can have just your face. So it gives you some options. There's some really nice tools here as well. So you can pause and resume, which you can't do easily at all with QuickTime Player. You can zoom, focus like this. You can highlight certain things, which is really cool when you're teaching. And then you can even use a pen, so you can add things, and then you can add the webcam here. So I like this, and it's much better. It's easier because when you're doing a QuickTime Player, which is the kind of old school option, which is nice because you've got all the tools already on your Mac. But if you don't have a Mac, or you want something that's all in one, this is a really easy option. It's really convenient. So I strongly recommend it. It's free. The only limitation compared to QuickTime Player is that your videos can only be 5 minutes long. So that's the only thing. Okay, I hope you use it and enjoy it.